Woodpecker figure C? Oh!
Ow!
Here's the cartoon.
You want to know why I'm doing this? I had a girl, Mary. We was madly in love, and we had the best doggone act in vaudeville. John and Mary. I'm John. We started out like everyone else, on the small time in Peoria. I was crazy about Mary, so I asked her to marry me. And she said, yeah, but not until we play the palace. John, Mary. We weren't exactly billed at the top. We shared our meals and practiced all the time. We didn't always travel first class, but we had each other. Our first success was at Scranton, you know, where they dig coal. We got a big hand. In Albuquerque, we wowed them. In Phoenix, we packed them in. Our names kept climbing up and up and up and up and up until finally Broadway and the palace. Boy, was I happy. John, Mary. Our wedding was the biggest event of the year. John, Mary. And then I saw her. She smiled at me. My ears began to ring. I got hot under the collar. Something inside of me snapped and I went to pieces. John! Ah, shut up. That's when I walked right out on Mary. John! John! Boy, was I in a cloud. She led me around by the nose and had me going in circles. I'd completely forgotten Mary. John? She took me to the richest places. John! She had me spending money like water. Whenever I touched her hand, I got goose pimples. I was crazy about her. She had me wrapped around her little finger. I bought her face, jewelry, and a big car. What a fishtail. John! She had some hot tips, but they always ran out of the money. And that's when my money ran out on me. I had to tell her I was broke. But I don't think she believed me. Because she walked right out on me. For a big cattleman. I'll go back to Mary. After all I did for her, well, who cares? I'll show her. But Broadway didn't seem to want me without Mary. Neither did Phoenix or Albuquerque. In Scranton, they turned off the lights. My name went down and down and down and down and down. Until in Peoria, I knew I was true in vaudeville. I swallowed my pride and went to see Mary. You're on next, Mary. I ended up in the gutter. Well, that's my story. This is the end.
No, I won't do it.
John!